What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to see Bluehost pricing. First go to bluehost.com. I'll leave a link to Bluehost in the description down below. Now here we can see the main screen of Bluehost, and then when we go to the top of the screen we can see a little pricing right here. So we're just going to click on pricing, and here we can see all the plans that Bluehost is offering. So currently there are starter plan, business plan and e-commerce essentials. The starter plan starts at $3.99 a month, and it will offer one free domain for the first year, one free SSL, free CDN enabled, 10 websites, 15,000 visits per month, 10 gigabytes of NVMe web storage, and 1 month free pro email free trial. It will also give a free migration tool, no staging environment, but for marketing features it will also give you Yoast SEO, the free version, and for security, malware scanning and weekly website backup. There are also some pro tools like multi-site management and seamless updates and plugin management. You will get 24/7 chat support, just like all the other plans. However, you will not be getting phone support. However, when we go to business plan, which will be $6.99 a month, we can see we get the same things that the starter plan will offer. However, instead of 10 websites, we will actually get 50 websites. Instead of 15,000 visits per month, we will get 200,000. NVMe web storage 10 gigabytes. No, we'll get 50 gigabytes. We'll get 1 month free for pro free trial again, and we can see that the business also includes email marketing, which starter does not have, and also a free first year of domain privacy, and also malware and detection removal. Now it also has a staging site and also phone support. So it has everything that the starter plan has and also some other features. And then for the big business, the e-commerce essentials at $14.99 a month. Here you will get 100 websites, 200,000 visits per month, just like the business. And we'll get 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage. And instead of a 1 month free pro email free trial, we will get 3 months free of pro email free trial. We'll get a staging environment and free WP migration tool, just like business and starter. But one thing that's different is that we will, well, what's the most different thing? Well, that's around all the features you'll get. So you have $3.99, $6.99 and $14.99 as pricing. However, these are just the standard web hosting. We also have high performance, commerce, VPS, dedicated and cloud. So these are the high performance pricing. We have $9.99, $13.99, $16.99 and $19.99 for all of these features. I can go over all of them, but I think you can do that yourself. Then we also have commerce. If you want to create an e-commerce store, you will have all these features with two plans at $14.99 and $21.99. Then we have VPS $46.99, $65.99 and $94.99 with all of these features. Dedicated hosting for maximum performance with $141 and 19 cents, $217 and 19 and $312 and 19. Cloud with all these features and pricing. Now it is important that if you use the link in the description for my link, then you will actually get a discount on any of these pricing plans that you use. So that's very important if you want to do that. So that is the pricing for Bluehost. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please subscribe or like the video. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.